Presenting the 2007 Volkswagen Passat. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. The sunroof lets fresh air in. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.